In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove banner in Wix. If you want to clean up your page layout and get rid of a banner you no longer need, this is a very quick process inside the Wix editor. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without confusion. To begin, open your Wix website and go into the page editor. This is the area where you can make visual changes to your site, including editing text, images, sections, and banners. Once you're inside the editor, take a moment to locate the banner you want to remove. Depending on your design, this could be a large image banner, a promotional strip, or a section at the top of the page. When you've found the banner, click on it so Wix recognizes that specific element. This is important because you want to make sure you're selecting the banner itself and not another item layered on top of it, like text or a button. If needed, click carefully until the banner is clearly selected. After that, right-click on the banner. This should open a small menu with available actions for that selected element. In that menu, choose Delete. As soon as you do that, the banner will be removed from the page. And that's it. The banner is now gone. One helpful tip is to quickly look over the page after deleting the banner to make sure the spacing and layout still look the way you want. Sometimes removing a large visual element can slightly change how the rest of the page feels, so it's a good idea to check the surrounding content before finishing up. If you deleted the wrong item by mistake, don't worry. In Wix, you can usually undo your last action right away, which makes it easy to restore the banner and try again more carefully. This is one of the simplest edits you can make in Wix, and it's useful when you're updating your site design, removing outdated promotions, or just creating a cleaner look for visitors. Once you're happy with the change, make sure to save your work so your edit is not lost. If you want the updated version to appear live on your website, you should also publish the site after saving. That's all you need to do to remove a banner in Wix.